Hello guys, what is up? Today I am filming a super exciting video. I'm collabing with Princess Polly, which is very cool. I had a blast picking out all of these items, so thank you so much to them because I'm really excited. I gotta get some new things because I'm going somewhere very exciting in December, so you guys will find out soon and you'll be excited, hopefully. I mean, I know you will. This is actually gonna be a try-on haul. Let's just get right into the haul. Okay, the first thing that I got is like my favorite thing ever. I got these pants that are so fun and flowy. You guys know I love pants like this because they're really comfortable to wear. You can get away with feeling like you're in your pajamas but wearing cute clothes. And these are really fun green and cream color. They fit me really well. So I love these to death and they're perfect to wear to my secret destination. Next thing that I got is kind of more of a winter item because this past week in Oregon it has gotten so cold. People are like shivering and wearing their full-on winter coats already. So I had to join in and get the fluffy teddy bear coat. This jacket is so warm. I kind of feel like the bear that is at all of those tree lighting ceremonies that you take pictures with creepily. I also enjoy the color. It's a nice transition from fall to winter. Very excited about that one. Ooh. Okay, this is another super fluffy thing that I had to get to help transition from fall to winter. I wear a ton of sweatshirts in college. It's a really easy go-to thing. So I got this fluffy white pullover and it's really soft and I kind of feel like a snowman in this. And it looks really good with black or with jeans. Oh, I have to reach so far for these. We have a lot of white going on because, I don't know, sometimes when things are gray in the winter, you just want to spice it up with some white in your life. This top is so ridiculously soft. It's a long sleeves ribbed white top and it's cropped. It's got buttons down. These are kind of unbuttoned too far, but you'll see in the try on. This top is super thick, so it's actually really warm, which I like, especially for the winter time. So this is gonna be definitely like an everyday staple because what doesn't this go with? This is a super fun top that I really like. I've been into more vintage pieces that are a little bit funky, so they push the comfort zone, but they're really cute and I would still wear them a lot. I got this collared tee. It's got flowers on it. They're yellow, brown, and navy or black. I don't really know. I can never tell the difference between navy and black. And my mom is always like, that's navy, that's black. I don't know, I'll just have to ask her what this is, but it's really cute. It's a collared tee, it's got buttons all the way down, and then the sleeves have little ruffles on it, but not in a super, you know, overpowering way. Really love this, and it's a really nice, classy shirt to have a part of your collection. Okay, I got another shirt. It's a tie top. It's a linen material, so it feels really nice, and it looks very classy. It ties in the front, and it just looks really great with those pants that I showed. The next thing I got is a sweater. This is also so soft. I wish you guys could feel this stuff. Anyway, this is a really nice blue gray color. It brings out my eyes. It's a nice pullover sweater, kind of an everyday piece. It's just good. Okay, we have one more top and two more pants and some accessories and shoes. Lego. Sorry, I have to like reach down here for everything. Okay, and we're back. The last top that I got looks like this. It's an adorable green short sleeves and it's got stripes that are blue and red on it. It gives me major Christmas vibes, and this is also perfect for my destination that I'm going to, the people who I'm going with. Don't you agree? I wanted to wear this with high-waisted pants, so I got a pair of high-waisted shorts. They have like a cinch on the waist, so they're super high-waisted, which I love because then I can wear cropped stuff without it being too cropped, you know what I mean? I'm gonna roll the bottom of them as well, and it also has two little gold buttons at the top, which I love because gold is my favorite metal. I feel like everyone has a signature metal. Comment down below if you're silver or if you're gold. Okay, the last pair of pants that I got are something that I'm very excited about. I got my first pair of Levi jeans. These ones are extra fun. They have a ribbon down the side seam that says Levi's all the way down. Thought they were super fun and different. I don't know. And I also think that when pants have thing down the side, it makes your legs look longer, which is always a plus. And these are super high-waisted, which I love because all of my pants are not high-waisted enough and I don't like that. These are super cute and I wear jeans a ton, especially in college. The first pair of accessories that I got are some scrunchies. Princess Polly has adorable scrunchies on their website and I couldn't decide, but I wanted the ones that are thinner because I only have super thick ones. Sometimes I want to wear my hair half up, half down and have them smaller. So I got a cream one, a navy one, and a pink one. And I also am a fan of these because I can just like wear them on my wrist to school so that if I'm in class and I'm studying and I just like don't want my hair falling in my face, scrunchie time. I also got another belt. I've been wearing belts with all of my clothes. It's been my go-to accessory, especially because I can make my low-rise pants higher with a belt. This belt is super cute. It's got a gold circle buckle on it as well as a gold tip of the belt. This is kind of like a must in every collection. You just need a good black belt. Then the next two things I got a pair of socks. These are so adorable. They're little polka dot socks and I just thought they would be fun to mix it up because I have striped socks, but I don't have polka dot ones. And I just thought that's not fair to just leave the polka dots out. out, and they're very cute, and I thought they'd be fun to wear with a skirt and just accessorize. And then the last accessory thing I got is this necklace set. It's got 3 necklaces on it. It's a layered piece. I really like this one because the necklaces are all separate too, so you can wear them together or you can wear them separately, however you wish. The last 2 things I got are 2 pairs of shoes, and I'm very excited about these. My first pair is something that I've been wanting for a long time. They're Supergas. Wait, is that how you say that? Supergas. My friend Leah got me obsessed with these because she has a ton of pairs, and I was like, I don't have any shoes like this. And the best part about these is their platform, and I am always just looking for extra ways to get me taller. So I got these taupe colored Supergas. Their platform, they're really awesome because they just go with everything, and I like that they're in a neutral color. Okay, the last thing I got is a pair of boots. I got another pair because these ones are just a really cool, fun style, and I like that they go up higher on your ankle. I thought they'd be fun to wear just a dressier shoe. They're actually surprisingly very comfortable. That, ladies and gentlemen, is everything that I got from Princess Polly. It was quite the haul, quite a fun time. If you guys want to check out and shop the website, you can use my code Kiara20 for 20% off your entire purchase, which is crazy, and they have a ton of things on there right now and a ton of things that are on sale. So if you guys are looking for Christmas presents for your friends or just want to like buy yourself cute stuff for Christmas parties, definitely recommend checking out the website. I'll leave the link in the bio down below as well as my coupon code. I'm also doing a giveaway with them on Instagram, so be sure to check out my Instagram at kiaramadisen, and you can enter to win a Princess Polly gift card, which is really cool. That's all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to leave me a comment down below, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.
Freezing outside, a little bit high on the feeling, can't seem to focus.